Hello everybody, welcome back to the Weirdos Daddy-O build. Originally this was intended as a Halloween group build for last year, 2017, hosted by Kenny May of Mindless Model Works. And I got a good start on it, but I didn't get it finished until just now. I had some work done on my eyes, had cataract surgery, so I hadn't built anything since October. So just bring you up to date on where I'm at with the kit. I don't have a very good picture of it, but the rear end didn't come with a differential or a drive shaft, so I decided to make my own. I took some modeling clay that I bought from the dollar store and molded a little ball of it, tried to shape it to look like a differential, and then added a drive shaft from another kit, which I had to shorten a little bit. I glued a little piece of sprue onto the other end to attach it to the bottom of the car, and then painted the whole thing with Model Master silver enamel paint.
About 9:15, swinging daddy's running out of time. Doing 90 miles down a one-way street. On his way to work and got people to meet. A coughing body and a real mean smile. He makes every street a quarter mile. Briefcase in his hand, he commutes every day. With his full-blown engine burning all the way. Swinging daddy, the happy suburbanite. Swinging daddy, the happy suburbanite. Swinging daddy in a cool caddy, tire smoking till he gets out of sight. His Rocho's class as it tears around. Everyone knows he's the coolest in town. When it comes to driving, he shows real class. There's not a car on the road that he can't pass. Swing! Suburbanite, swinging daddy, the happy suburbanite, swinging daddy in a cool caddy, tire smoking till he gets out of sight. His Rocho's class as it tears around. Everyone knows he's the coolest in town. When it comes to driving, he shows real class. There's not a car on the road that he can't pass. Swinging daddy, the happy suburbanite.